control. Here we go. They're off, and they are racing. Seabird, brilliant start for Seabird. Conquest at the second position. Seabird, then is Conquest. Surhab looks at the third. Seabird, then is Conquest, which is just half a length behind. Further 2.5 behind is Surhab, and then is Sandstorm. Sandstorm making some steady progress, is now overtaking. Surhab now has overtaken. Now Sandstorm at the third. So Seabird, Conquest, and Sandstorm. Then is Surhab, then is Silent Assassin as they're on the curve. Now racing down to the last straight. Seabird is still leading them. 2 furlongs to sprint. Seabird, that is Sandstorm. Seabird is still going along very nicely, has established pretty convincing lead. Now it will take some catching up from this stage. Seabird is going along and looks quite set to take this race. December Cup is surely going to Seabird. And then for the second position, it was Queen. Incredible finish for Queen as well. That was the immaculate performance.